What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and I'm literally just thought like randomly shoot this video because I always talk about building my offline business, my marketing company, and I'm about to do some cold calling and some follow-up calling, but mainly cold calling. And I ain't gonna film everything, but holding myself accountable because I always tell people you gotta take action. You trying to get results, you gotta take action. So I got this list handwritten right here. You see the businesses I want to call today, at least contact. So it's about 20, maybe a little over 20. Hopefully I'll get in contact with at least. We'll try to get through all 20 at some point. I mean today. But I'm gonna keep it real and let you know my results with it, whether I got any appointments or basically I'm trying to get appointments today. So I'm gonna follow back. Like I said, this is just some sporadic video. Grab my phone. It's like, you know what? Hold myself accountable. I'm gonna keep it 100% real. What happens with these calls? I got my Bluetooth headset on, so we about to get busy. Alright guys, quick report back. My first call, which really this ain't cheating, but this is a guy I talked to before, a local business restaurant actually, and he was telling me how I actually had was offering one of my devices, beacon marketing devices. He kind of didn't understand it, but he was telling me one of the things he wanted to do was be able to get his menu specials out on a weekly basis. So I called him just now. And I ain't gonna lie to you, okay? I was talking to this dude like he remembered me, and he had no idea who he was talking to. So just to put that in perspective, guys, when you calling these businesses, it ain't personal with them. I'm starting to realize this. Like, you're nothing unless you got a personal relationship, and you should, and they should know you. But so anyway, he basically was kind of like a little bit of offish, but I did say, hey, can I come in Tuesday? It's Thursday now, but I say, yo, can I come in Tuesday? I think I got a solution to what we were talking about. And he kind of was like, yeah, whatever, cool. If I'm here, cool. So I'm going in Tuesday. So that's the first call, but I got a whole bunch more to do. So I'll be right back. All right, guys, we in the afternoon. Great lesson learned. Well, not even lesson learned, something I knew, but I woke up so hungry and ready to work. I didn't really think about the time. When calling restaurants, you do not ever want to call at 12 noon their time, because that's their busiest time, so you're not going to talk to anyone, and that's what I did. Literally, it was like 12:02 and I start calling businesses, and I'm like, why is everybody acting so like like they don't want to talk? Because I called at the wrong time, and I knew that, and I can't, after about the second call I really realized, like, oh wait a minute, look at the time. So I did reach out to a couple other businesses around 2 o'clock. I got hair in my mouth. What? All right, get rid of this beard. So I did connect with a few businesses. I got a couple manager names, and I got a couple times where I can come in and actually talk to the managers. So I'll be doing that next week. But I'm on my way to a restaurant, and if the owner there, I'm gonna say something, pitch a little bit of my services, see what happens from there, and then that's about it, guys. But it's all about taking action. All right, I'm trying to build a 6-figure business. Alright, so I'll talk to you in 1 second. Alright, what's up, guys? I'm back. Actually, this is the next day. Went out to eat, was chilling, it was pretty packed in there. I did see the manager at that restaurant I was talking about, but I was telling my girl, I'm like, he was super busy and stuff, so I was like, I didn't really want to get at him on that, marketing stuff right then and there. I will go back probably next week, and when it's less busy, because I even told him in the mentality, if you talk to a manager when it's popping, when it's super busy, they're probably not even in a mindset of like getting more customers, because they're probably thinking like at that moment like, psh, I don't need more customers. Look around. So I'd rather go in there when it's a little slower. But even today, I did a little prospecting. I called a pizza place. I got to call the manager back on Monday. It's Friday. I got to call him back, and another guy I'm supposed to call in a couple minutes. Actually, I should have did this video after, whatever. But so guys, it's all about taking action. That's the point of this video, this sporadic video. I'm trying to build a 6-figure business with local businesses, you know what I'm saying? It's all about multiple streams of income. I keep preaching it, and I also keep preaching it's all about taking action. Whatever it is you're trying to do, take that action, right? And you will get results, because it's just a matter of time. You know what I mean? As long as I keep going, there's so many opportunities out here. You just got to find the one that works best for you and just grind. All right, so see you in the next video, guys. Like I said, the whole point is I didn't get no calls on, on the camera, nothing like that. But believe me, I try to give you an update, everything I can. So stay tuned. You know what I mean? We building this business. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a $1 billion industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.